Okay, so today I'll be bringing you the update of SamFirm. This one is version 1.42, which has been released, and it has fixed all the bugs in the recent version. So if you had those issues whereby uh, you were getting errors of opening browser address, if you had a problem of installing drivers and the tool not opening, so all those ones have been fixed. So I'll go ahead to extract this tool, as I'll be giving you a brief summary about it and other things which have been added to the tool. So now you can also go ahead to do any scatter files. You can read any scatter file because it has been fixed. Also, he has added the description for important address, and also now it supports the bypass of FRP log for sharp devices. So many things have been included, so kindly check it out and download and enjoy this tool. So the previous versions are not all that working pretty fine as this new version, so kindly use the new version, check it out and enjoy it. So I'll be giving you a summary of it. I'll go ahead to double click on it.
Channel. For all software updates, both PC and mobile phones, either smart or feature ones, kindly subscribe and tap on the notification bell as never to miss any updates. Thank you.
Process. So this is the interface of the new tool. So as you can see it here, this is version 1.4.2, the latest one. So this is what I had told you or talked about in the intro of this video, as in the new updates and the new things which have been added. As you can see here, now you can read MTK scatter files. You can also extract firmware full info. Then you can also extract important address, that's the FRP, user data and the others. Then it has also fixed read scatter files, then also added new method to MTPC bypass FRP. So still the bypass of the FPR log offline is still supported, and also they've added the support for for sharp devices. So this one still has some issue a bit. Then but for all now, the tool is still working pretty fine. So kindly check it out, check the new things, check the new features, whereby you can go ahead to enjoy it, do the bypass. You can also go ahead to use the fast boot mode. You can also bypass your FRP log, then the MTK side. So this is where you load the scatter file from and everything. Thank you guys for watching. Just in case of any other update, I'll just be dropping it. So kindly stay tuned on this channel. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, share, like our videos, and thank you so much for the support. I'll just leave you to enjoy this. Bye.